Okay, Rosie, what did you say? What sound did your stomach make?
Tuba bass.
It sounded like a tuba? Your stomach? Oh my goodness. Who plays the tuba?
Daddy.
Daddy plays the tuba?
Not you.
No, I don't play the tuba. You're right. You're right. Daddy plays the tuba. Did you girls, have you ever heard Daddy in concert? Did you go to one of Daddy's concerts?
Yeah.
Yeah, your first one? Oh, baby.
Daddy going to play him concert after.
He did, sweetie. And where did we stay when we went to go see Daddy in his concert?
Home.
It wasn't home. What did we stay in? A special house. What was the house? Beach house.
Beach house. Daddy play him concert.
Yeah. Rosie, can you play the... Oops. My hands fell off. Can you play the tuba?
No.
Marie says no. I think you can. Can you play the tuba, Marie? That's exactly how you do it. Do it again. Do it again, Rosie. Oh, that's exactly the sound. Oh, that's right. You girls know how to do it, right? Oh my goodness.
My mouth on the camera says I can be 10.
I don't know that would be so good for my camera, honey. Hi, Mango. Hi, Mango.
After that, just wipe it off. And I'm going to beach. I'm just going to do beach here.
Just pretend. I don't know. My camera already had sand thrown in it.